Ciao, here I am. This is Doruk, I'm a product designer and Framer expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how you customize Framer search component. Let's get started. As you see, in Framer's website, there's a search input. It basically responds to all my cursor movements while hovering the search input. But in default, Framer only gives us the search icon and you can't customize it from property controls. So, how we can achieve it? It's very simple. Let's jump to our customized search component. As you see, we have not yet a search component that will respond our clicks. But if we want to add search, just type it in insert panel and simply drag and drop. But as you see, it is only icon and I can change its properties. And when I resize it, it's not left aligned and it's center aligned. So let me show you one hack that will easy to customize your search component. So I just undo my action. Let's click custom icon upload option and choose an empty SVG. So with this, we will have an empty search component. It will only respond while I hovering that bound area. So when we switch the type from relative to absolute, so you will see we will have more option to change its size and we won't have an search icon while we resizing it. So just like that. As you see, it's pinned to all corners. So with this, when we resize the search component or when it's auto layout and its content has changed, so this will change to without broke. Here is the important thing. As you see, the search component is under of this icon component. So we need to change its order and we need to know its top of the all of elements. So let's click preview and see what will happen. So it's basically responds all my cursor movement while hovering over search input. So when I click it, it will open. But we want to add hover state. So how we can do it? So let me show you. Right click to search group and choose create component. Let's just click hover and press it. So we want to change its border color while hovering. So we can do it. Let's change to black while hovering and change the text color and icon color. Let's jump to the preset state. And we want to change its fill color to the lighter gray, for example. And we can do it while pressing. So let's try. As you see, it responds while hovering the input. And when I press it, so the background color has changed. And as you see, our search component is working very well. And that's all. See you in the next Framer tutorial.